Dear friends, welcome to A1 Aptitude Academy. In today's video, we will learn how to view and download Form 26AS, which is our tax credit statement from the new portal of Income Tax Department of India. So first of all, we are to reach the site of the Income Tax Department. So we will type Income Tax India in Google. As we type Income Tax India and search for the site, the first site appears. It is the site of Income Tax Department of India. So we will click on the first site that appears. It is home page of that site. So this is our site of Income Tax Department of India. So we will click on Taxpayer Services. After clicking on Taxpayer Services, we will click on Individual dash HUF. So we are salaried class, so we come under the individual category. So if you are not registered on this site yet, you can start registration process by clicking on first option. First option is for new registration purpose. I will show you the registration page of the site. So we will click on yes. This is permission for external site, don't worry. Now we will reach on the registration page. This page is for new registration. For registration, you are to know your PAN, permanent account number. If you don't know your PAN, then you will not be able to register. Okay, I will not be able to show you the registration process as I have already registered on this site. So my PAN has already been registered on this site. You can register yourself. This is a very easy process. Some basic details are required. So I will click on the second option, which is login page. This is meant for the people who have already been registered on this site. So again, I will click on yes. So my login page will appear. This is my login page. I will fill my user ID here, which is my permanent account number. After filling my PAN here, I will continue further. As soon as you fill your PAN here, option of continue will appear. So this I will click on continue. Only valid PAN are accepted here. So I will fill my password, which has been allotted to me during the registration process. So I will tick the checkbox. Only then I will be able to further continue. So I will tick the checkbox. Without ticking, you will not be able to continue further. So my option comes, I will click on continue. So these are my options. So I will reach to e-file option, then income tax returns. After e-file, then income tax returns. So now I have the option to view Form 26AS. So I will click on the view Form 26AS. The disclaimer appears. I will click on the confirm. will take me to a new site, which is site of traces. I will tick the checkbox and then proceed. These are my contents of Form 26AS. For viewing the Form 26AS, I will click on the Form 26AS option. So it is click View Tax Credit Form 26AS. Here I have to fill my assessment year for the year for which I am to download my 26AS. So current assessment year is 2021-22. So I will select this assessment year. Then I will select the options. So I am to download. For that I have to select HTML. Then click on view and then download. It will be downloaded in PDF form. So my form has been downloaded. I will open it. Sometimes it asks you for a password, which is your date of birth. In my case, it has not asked for password. So this is my Form 26AS, which shows my all the taxes which has been deposited by my employer or my bank or by me voluntarily. So this is my Form 26. Yes, this form is very helpful in case of ITR filing. So in today's video, we have seen the downloading of Form 26. Thanks for watching the video. Hope to meet you in the next video. Thank you.